Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahi walhamdulillahi. Assalatu wassalamu ala rasulillahi wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajma'in. My beloved brothers and sisters, verification, authentications, investigations, these are actual worship Islam. In fact, they are great actual worship. Whenever you hear something, whenever you see something, whenever you told something, whenever you come across something, Allah Almighty wants you to verify, to authenticate, and to investigate. If someone comes to with a piece of news, firstly, it is related to you or connected to you. If the answer is no, throw it out. Secondly, if it is connected to you, verify, authenticate, and investigate. Why? Because the opposite of it, because you come sinful. If you are not authenticated, you did not verify, you did not try to investigate something. Someone came to you with a peaceful news. كفى بالمرء كذبا أن يحدث بكل ما سمع. The hadith says sufficient. It is for a person to be known as a liar when he relate everything that came to him. Everything I hear, I forward. Any message I get, I forward it. Anything comes to me, I forward it. It's a sickness today. We are living in different age of WhatsApp. Everything we get is juicy, it's interesting. There is no investigate. There is no authentication. There is no verification. And we just forward it to the whole contact. And sometimes we say, forward it as we see it. All the day of judgment, don't be able to say, oh Allah, forgive me because I did put a little disclaimer at my bottom. Forward it as